Today we discuss about the immunity system and cells. What is the immunity system and the system is made from the which type kind of cells, which kind of cells. That is our topic today. First we must know about the what is the immunity system. Immunity system is a protect our body from pathogens. Pathogens are the infectious agents like bacteria, virus, animal parasites and fungi is all pathogens. It causes diseases in our body and that is protected by the immunity system that is made up of the cells, that is called a immunity system. It is made up of the different types of the cells. Mainly cells are the three types: lymphocytes, phagocytes and antigen presenting cells. First we discuss about the lymphocytes. Mainly lymphocytes are the three kind of cells: B cells, T cells and natural killer cells. Lymphocytes are nothing but a WBC cells. WBC means white blood cells. First one, B cells. B cells are produced from the stem cells in the bone marrow. Bone marrow is the spongy tissue of the bone. It is the spongy tissue of the bone that is produced from the stem cells in the bone marrow. That is called a B cells. B cells are capable of produce antibodies. B cells are capable of produce antibodies. Already you know antibodies are protect our body from the antigens. From the antigens, B cells are display the antibodies and are antibodies present on the surface of the B cells. These are antibodies. This is present on the surface of the B cells and also surface of the B cells present MSC class 2 proteins. These are proteins. MSC class 2 proteins. MSC means major histocompatibility complex. B cells are differentiated into two kind of cells. First one is the plasma cells. Second one is the memory cells. Plasma cells are produce antibodies. Memory cells are helpful in the remember the antigens whenever enter in our body. That is the function of the memory cells and it is long living cells. It is the long living cells. That is the first one, B cells. That's next second one, T cells. This is also produced from the bone marrow but they migrate to the thymus glands. T cells are migrate to the thymus glands and mature in the thymus gland. That's when hence it is called T cells. What is T cells? They are produced from the bone marrow and migrate to the thymus gland and also differentiation to the mature T cells. That is called a T cells. But they are not capable of produce antibodies. Here it is B cells are produce antibodies but T cells are not capable of produce antibodies and also they cannot recognize the antigens. They cannot recognizing the antigens. They taken antigens from the antigen presenting cells. T cells are taken antigens from the antigen presenting cells. Because of they cannot recognize the antigens and also not capable of produce antibodies. That is the T cells. Mainly T cells are two types T cells, TH cells and TC cells. TH means helper T cells, TC means cytotoxic T cells. These two types, TH cells and TC cells. Helper T cells, cytotoxic T cells. And T cells also called CD4 cells and TC cells also called CD8 cells. CD means cluster of differentiations. These are the protein molecules present on the surface of the T cells and also antigen recognizing agents, CD4 cells. Next one, here it is TH cells useful in the B cell activation. TH cells are useful in the B cell activation and TC cells are useful in the release two kind of cytotaxin proteins, that is called a perforins and granulins. Perforins are doing the pores around the plasma membranes. They are doing the pores around the plasma membranes, and granulins are enter into the cells and destroy the total cell. That is the functions of the TC cells, means that is kill the total cells, release the two kind of materials, perforins and granulins. Perforins are doing pores around the plasma membranes and granulins are enter into the cells and destroy the total cells. That is the function of the TC cells. And what is the function of the TH cells? It is useful in the B cell activation process. Here it is. MSC full form means major histocomparative complex, and CD cells meaning is a cluster of differentiation or cluster of determinant or cluster of designations. This is the meaning of the CD cells. They are present, number of CD cells are present, CD1 to CD371. That is the number of the CD cells present on the surface of the cells. Next one, third one, natural killer cells. They are protect our body from the cancer cells and virus infection cells. Natural killer cells destroy the cancer cells and viral infection cells or virus infection cells. Same, these also release the same kind of materials, granulins and perforins, and destroy the total cells. That is the function of the NK cells, natural killer cells. That is the first topic of the lymphocytes and immunity system in our body. That is the first kind of cells, lymphocytes.